Before any color touches your face, it's crucial to prep your skin. Hydrating your skin is the first step. Moisturizing helps keep your skin healthy, and it also provides a smooth base for your makeup. Following this, apply a primer. This acts as a barrier between your skin and the makeup, and it also helps your makeup stay put throughout the day. Use a foundation that matches your skin tone and type. The foundation evens out your skin, hiding any imperfections and giving you a clean canvas to work on. Remember to blend, blend, blend. You want a seamless transition from your face to your neck. Concealer is your little secret weapon. It hides blemishes, dark circles, and any other imperfections that your foundation couldn't cover. Apply it in a triangle under your eyes for a bright, awake look. Bronzer and blush are your best friends here. Apply bronzer where the sun would naturally hit your face, the top of your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Then add blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face, the top of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the Cupid's bow. This will give you a radiant, glowing look. A step-by-step guide to applying makeup like a professional has been provided. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, grab your makeup bag and start experimenting. Soon enough, you'll be applying makeup like a pro. It's time to shine. And remember, beauty comes from within. Makeup just enhances it. Enjoy your journey into the wonderful world of makeup.